Today we will show you a FreeLap system for inline speed skating, and we will show you two systems. This system is used for permanent track with two BMX boxes and two cables, each box for each cable, and 5 transponders. And another set is movable system with these devices with e-starter and also 5 transponders, and we will show you how it works. Here we would like to show you how we fix the cable to our track. It is better to use 2 persons and we use the tape to stick it, to attach it to the track. But you can also do it with 1 person, it's not that hard. Here we place the cable inside of connectors. It's quite strong and very easy to do, only 1 press and 1 push, and it holds strong. Then you connect the cable with a box, turn on the box on the finish mode, and voila! You need to place the LED screen not more than 50 meters away from the box. And here we would like to show you how to set up the training. I use Teams, I use FreeLap video team, choose the exercise, which is flying lap 200 meters, and here I delete myself because I do not race, press start. Then the application sends the start list, and now it's ready to go. As you can see, every time when the skaters cross the cable or cross the finish line, you have beep and you see their lap times inside the application, and the skaters see their lap times on LED screen.